Hi, this is Chef Emmanuel from ROSARY Cafe and Crazy Cravings. ROSARY Cafe was first originally started off in 1989, but after the death of the proprietor, Mr. late Alex Fernandez, it was shut down due to his said dismiss, and after that it was closed for good 17 years. And the elder daughter, she was abroad, she's my wife, and as we were abroad, the shop was closed, and suddenly because her mom was not keeping well, we had to come down, leaving everything in the UK. And then because of her, she started off, along with her siblings, we started off back again, the ROSARY Cafe and Crazy Cravings. Now, ROSARY Cafe is something like, we stand out by making most of the meals in-house, in the kitchen. So basically people can see what we're doing. People can actually see us cooking, and most of the meals are actually very authentic, very unique, and it's around the world. Because me being chef for so many years, and the pastry chef Steffi Fernandez, who runs the Crazy Cravings, she's been also internationally trained, and she does the desserts all around the world, and that's how it makes her desserts unique, and the meals what we make is unique. Now it's a family-run business, so all the siblings of late Alex Fernandez, we get together and we all do our meals together. We also do take party orders, nuptial orders, barbecue events, private chef hire, and most of the cuisines what we do here are multi-cuisines. So it's all it's like different cuisines from around the world. So you'll get like quesadilla from Mexico, Italian pizzas, Australian desserts. Sometimes you might also get like steak and cheese. And not only these, we also take these recipes to someone who wants to hire a chef or something. So we go there, we cook for them, especially for barbecue parties. We take all our equipments and all. So all the meals are made in-house, so people can actually see. We customize the meals if they want. So we have vegan, vegetarian, lactose-free, gluten-free option, especially when we have tourists coming in. So a lot of people have allergens. So what happens is we have to cater them as well to their likeness. So we do that as well, especially along with the desserts as well. A lot of people love to have eggless, especially Lenten, Hindus especially, they want to have like, something which is eggless. Yes, we have those options. Suppose it's like if you want an urgent cake or something, Chef Steffi, she's a great person, I would say, a great chef. She can even customize the cake for you in 2 hours. So we give those options to those customers like who are last moment and who wants them very quick as well. At the same time, we also give venues for hire for small birthday parties and all. So the bakeries at the back will be starting it soon, where we'll be taking high volume orders. We have latest equipment, especially to make our desserts, especially to make our pastas. We also do make handmade pastas, hand-rolled pizzas, so we have equipments for them, especially imported. Most of the ingredients, some of them, like we try to make it more authentic by ordering these stuff from the abroad countries, thanks to our family members, friends, and few of our local distributors who closely work with us to get this stuff from the outside countries, yes, thus making it like more authentic. Like for example, our pizzas, our pastas are made with proper Italian cheese, proper Italian pastas, and we also do a farm-to-table concept where most of the herbs and all are especially grown in the backyard, so customers can actually see us picking the herbs and then putting it onto the plate. So this is something we stand out, making it more unique. All the chefs, myself and Steffi, are professionally trained, internationally as well, and we also hold the certificates to create more and more dishes. It's not by like, just opening a YouTube video, looking at the menu and doing it. No, we have learned that, we have got the inspiration for those recipes, we've tried it, and this is how we want to give it to the customers. A lot of people say like, oh, wow, this is unique. This is something we never tried. Yes, we want to give those Goans the love and the feeling what people normally have it in outside countries, and that's how we would love to give that experience to our Goans. Now the Goan snacks is basically run by my brother-in-law and his Mrs. Mariska Fernandez and Joel Fernandez. They do the Goan snacks, they take the party orders for the nuptials, for the weddings, for any birthday party, she does that. Chef Steffi Fernandez does the pastries of all kinds. Ocean takes care of the veg options, the vegan options, especially the light meals, some delicacies. She also helps in doing the desserts and all. And a lot of small items, she probably does it, and she's a very good chef as coming to picking up. Mabel does the front of house. Obviously, she's been very well experienced in customer service for 13 years. And that's why she's the smile behind the face. So anytime a customer comes in, they will love to speak to Mabel, because that's how the warmth, the love comes from the first person they meet. And then it's me who does the exotic meals when it comes to like pastas, pizzas, burgers, wraps, everything. It's that given to you and it's customized to your liking. So ladies and gentlemen, this cafe is open from Sunday to Monday, but Sundays we are half day, because Sundays morning we do serve English breakfast, which is the authentic one, locally sourced made. We support the locals. Everything is made in house. People can see us making it, and so evenings we are closed so that we can give time to our family members, and we have our own rebonding kind of thing in the evening on Sundays. So we plan for the next week, and then Mondays we are back open from 7 a.m. till 9:45 is the last orders. We don't have any lunch breaks or nothing, because we have a big team where we take turns in running the shift. So since most of the people know that Rosary Cafe was firstly in Old Market, but that has been running by a different person, but it's still there with that same name, but it's run by a different person. And this cafe is started here in SERAULIM, Bethel Batim Road. As you take near the Kolva main road, so you take the right inside, and it's on the SERAULIM Bethel Batim Road near the SERAULIM Church. So that's the best I could describe the place. But obviously, when you pass by through this cafe, you will notice the vibe there. There's a lot of lighting. There's a Century Greece kind of vibe, which is blue and white building. The bakery is open, the kitchen is open. You'll see a lot of smoke, a lot of kiosks around, and people will know that, okay, fine, there's something happening. Well, that's Rosary Cafe. So my request to most of the people is to try the exotic meals and the desserts, as well as the Goan snacks, which is traditionally made. And we try to give most of the people the authentic taste, because it is made in the house. Most of the time it's like we give the 99% of love and care to the food what we prepare. So I request all the people to come and experience and taste the different cuisines around the world, which most of the time you won't get it in some of the cafes, I would say. And we try to make it more authentic. Like I said, we get the authentic products imported, and we work closely with the locals so that it's locally sourced. We also have the locals in and around, especially with the veg, meat and everything, with the dairy products and everything. And we try to make it more authentic by making it in-house so that people can see us how we make it and all. And we try to keep it as simple as possible. So most of the meals are specially made in the kitchen where people can see us. And that is it. If you would like to visit our Rosary Cafe, which is a bounce-back cafe from what it was like in the olden days to the modern days, still serving the Goan authentic food and also the exotic meals and desserts as well for your likeness. So if you want to order, please place in your orders. And yeah, if you want to know anything about chef hire, parties, venues, or any kind of information, do call me as well. This is Chef Emmanuel, and my number is 9156692391. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.